and let the one who has no sword sell his cloak and buy one.
Alright, we've got the Taurus G3 Tactical that we're going to fill strip for cleaning today. First thing we need to do, magazine out, nothing in the chamber. Go ahead and pull that trigger. We're going to take this little bar and this little bar, so on both sides, and what we have to do is we have to pull it down. So I'm going to grab it basically with my fingernails, and as I pull down, I'm actually going to pull this back. So I'm going to pull the slide back a little bit like that, just a little bit. Pull down, back, and then forward. Sometimes you're going to have to pull the trigger as you push forward, and then it will release a lot easier. This is stripped for cleaning. This part we're going to push the rod and spring forward and pull out like this, so forward and out. Now for the tactical, we've got to pull the little nut off. Then we're going to take the barrel out just like that. Now this is stripped for cleaning. Now we can put it back together. Put the barrel back in, just send it through the barrel hole, wiggle it a little bit, pull it back. Then we'll go ahead and put the barrel nut on. Just like that. And then the spring, we'll put it back in. The fat end is forward, the skinny end is the rear. And we're going to put it down a little step right here. Not this one, but the one down in there. There's a little step right there, that secondary step. Just a little bitty step down in there that we're going to put it in. Push it forward, make sure it's seated on the step. If we look down in here, it's seated down on that step. Then all we do is we take the cutouts right here for the frame. We're just going to push it on. You have to wiggle it a little bit, pull it back, click, pull it back. Alright, this thing's reassembled. We can go do some shooting. I'm Spencer, the Small Arms Instructor at Defense Training. I hope this video helps you in your daily carry of small arms. Always train for the worst, pray for the best. Stay safe, stay armed.